Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear your chats and conversations on Duck AI in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to Duck AI, for example, through DuckDuckGo or any other web browser by navigating to Duck AI. Start a new chat, or if you'd like to clear an already existing chat, navigate to your chat history here on the left hand side. There are several ways how you can clear your chats. One by one, as well as your entire chat history. So one option would be to navigate to the given chat, select it here on the left hand side, and to use this button next to the text field. You may also use the shortcut Control Left Shift or E to clear the chat, or Command Shift E, sorry, if you're using a Mac. And that is going to clear the entire chat. Now I'd like to keep this one, so I'm not going to click into this, but this is going to remove actually the entire conversation with your requests or prompts included, as well as all responses provided by Duck AI. Option number 2, you click into these three dots next to the given chat, select clear, and then there's also the option to delete your entire chat history or all of your chats by using this button, delete chats here. So which one of these options you go with, guys, is up to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.